go. Good morning, everybody. Friends, families, followers. I got some chores to do today, and so I wanted to take you all along with me while I get them done. This is what it's like to run a reptile farm. Well, let's just say farm in general, because that's my ultimate dream, is to be producing produce and harvesting my own rainwater here in Phoenix, and you know, producing everything that I use and doing it all on my own. Got these two awesome snakes right here. A little motley aneurystic boa, het for albino, and then an albino boa, het for anery. Make some really nice babies. What's up, bud? But what I'm doing first, giving a little salad to my Iggy, my rhino iguana. These rock iguanas are in the family Cyclura. They get that name from their circular tail. Circle Cyclura, it's the Latin name for it. See right here, you got that really nice circular tail, if you can see it. What's up, bud? Good morning. Good morning. Yeah, you're so cool. You're too cool for me. So I just brought him some veggies this morning. Usually do lots of greens, but I don't have any greens right now. I'll grab him some hibiscus leaves and stuff like that later. But I'll get these big banana peels out of there, because those are not for him. But yeah, I just gave him some little chopped up green beans and banana peels, because they get my scraps. They get all my kitchen scraps. Here's Penny. Penny, here. Here, you can finish that off. I still gotta feed her actual food. Come on, get those last little bits. Come on, you got a few more. Yeah, I still gotta feed her. Give the dogs their food. And give her pig pellets. I make sure I add a little bit of water to her food too, just to make sure it's kind of soppy for her, not so she can swallow it easier. Got my dog food, ready to go back inside. Get all these pups fed. Are you guys hungry? Go at it. Not you, cat. I got food for you. Here, kitty. These litter boxes are awesome if you've got dogs that try to steal the kitty litter or kitty turds. They have to climb in there to get it, and then the dog cats have to climb in there to do their business, and the dogs can't get in at all. Pretty awesome. But anyways, let's go back outside. What else do I have to do? I'd like to give my anaconda a little bit of exercise. I'll pull him out, put him in this tub that I've got out here. What's up, chicken? Let's get this anaconda out and play with him. Always chilling in the water, always. So beautiful right now. He just shed recently. I love this little snake. Such a beautiful snake. Okay, go. Do your thing. Go in the water. There's water down here, dude. Ooh, it's cold. It's a little bit chilly. Maybe he doesn't want to go. Maybe he just wants to hang out with me. That's completely cool. He's sitting there munching on his salad. But here's my, oh look, you look right behind these plants. You'll see my little tortoise. My little juvenile male leopard tortoise. But here are my two plants that I just recently got. A little Suriname cherry that I just upgraded into a new pot. Got a lot of new growth on it already. All that top light green stuff is the new growth in just the few weeks that I've had it. And then my male and female kiwi, which are scaring me. I'm seeing new growth on them, but still, it's a lot of dead leaves too. Kind of sucks because I spent like $100 on them. But we'll see. I'm not losing hope completely. Dude, let go. These anacondas are so strong, like ridiculously strong. Dude, come on. There we go. Cruise a little bit. Is he not just amazing? I love that little guy. Hope you can see him through underneath the water. Gotta give my plants a little bit of water. But yeah, more on my dream for the Bio Boutique. I'd really like this to be, the animal portion of it, just be a little bonus. What I'd like to be doing more than anything is teaching people how to be sustainable, how to just, what choices that they can do in their day-to-day lives to make the world a better place, make more sustainable decisions, like realizing what our water use is, and so that we don't run out of water. I mean, I'm especially talking to the people that are sucking off the Colorado River with us in Phoenix. So that's Arizona, Salt Lake City, Denver, a lot of places. We need to be water wise. So I'd like to start harvesting my own. I plan on getting a few acres outside of Phoenix, maybe in North Scottsdale or who knows where, but putting together a little farm out there where I'm doing it mainly on harvested rainwater, and doing fun stuff like pumpkin patches and a petting zoo and a nursery where you can come and buy certain, you know, water-wise plants. I'll be filtering out what tropical plants can thrive down here without using too much water. I know bananas are one that uses a lot of water, apparently, but I'd like to get some and play with it and see if that's the case, because I'd like for us to all be growing our own food and sustaining our families and teach you the best way to do it. I'm looking in here for my black dragon. I don't show enough of the black dragon because, look, I just changed the water yesterday and already we're at that, so I'll be changing that again. Just fed her yesterday. She ate all of it. She's buried herself. Okay, she's had enough of us. I try to keep, if anybody's got a lizard or one of the smarter reptiles like them that has an issue with you, you know, really flighty and fearful of you, I just try to keep these little episodes short and brief and just show them that I'm not gonna hurt them. They can trust me, and then I'll be out of their hair. So that was my short little episode for the day for them. And add that water to the moringa. That moringa was just a seedling. I started it from a seed about 2 months ago. Maybe a little more than that. Look at the size of it now. It's one of the most nutritionally dense foods that you can plant, and they don't use a whole lot of water. I actually feed a lot of this stuff. I mean, we can eat it, but I feed a lot of it to the animals. Look how dark this guy is. So, lots of reptiles have chromatophores that can change color. Pigments in the skin that can change colors depending on their temperature. So if they want to heat up, they're going to turn dark. What's up? Do you like that stuff? Seems like you do. Yeah, leave the rest of it for you in there. So yeah, I can tell if he's a little bit cold. I mean, it's morning, so he's still a little dark. It's like 70, 80 degrees out here. Or I can tell if he's too hot because he'll be really white. Try to treat all my water. Let's get this water monitor his water. Or her water, rather. And got a few more snake waters to check. It's not feeding day to day, but I'll probably go through and just spot clean some of the cages for little dookies. The anaconda's still just chilling in here. I love this little guy. Hope he loves me. But yeah, that's usually what I do every morning here. Just try to keep it as excuse me. Yeah, I think that's all I have for you today. Thank you for your continued support. I really appreciate that. And if you like what you see, please give me a like. It's you know, definitely time consuming producing this content. And give me a follow. Subscribe here on YouTube too. Thank you. Peace.